Mounting blocks are a great way to attach furniture feet or table legs to your project and can be made very easily. First, find some scrap wood that is roughly 1 inch thick and 4 inches wide. Next, we'll cut the wood to 4 inches in length, giving us a perfect square to work with. These mounting blocks will feature a threaded insert in the very middle that will attach to a hanger bolt in our corresponding leg or foot. First, mark out the center of your block, and then pre-drill a hole large enough for your threaded insert. If you're using Osborne threaded insert part 4815, you'll need to use a 1/2 inch Forstner bit for this process. Once your hole is pre-drilled, simply screw in the insert using an Allen key, making sure to go slow to avoid any cracking or splitting. To make the block look a little nicer, you can add a round over on the edges for a softer look. I chose to install these mounting blocks on the very edge of the bottom to allow for maximum width between the furniture feet. You can simply pre-drill 4 holes in each corner of the mounting blocks and attach using a proper sized wood screw. Once the mounting blocks are attached on all 4 corners, screw in any table leg or furniture feet with a proper size hanger bolt into the threaded inserts.